Good luck, have fun.
I will be in danger again.
We'll see, we'll see.
Yeah, let's just take maneuver. Go here. And another maneuver. You can go.
Maneuver. I'll boost. April will attack. Okay.
I will go here.
Okay, I'll draw one. April will attack. Okay. No, I wish I had this. I'll maneuver. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll discard Kawabanga. Weirdly.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Let's attack April.
Does it matter? I guess not. 7 minus 3 is 4 damage.
4 damage.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, she's alive. Cool. Okay, I guess the April schemes are scarred father.
Let's stack again.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, I guess. Okay. I will maneuver. Ah. What is this? I guess I'll boost with it then. I'll attack with a +1.
Without. Oh, with this. Okay.
Well, okay.
Let's go here.
Okay, I'll draw one. And get an action, I'll maneuver. Go ahead. Now, should I be at center? It's okay. 1, 2, 3. I'll boost, I guess. This. Maybe put the other scheme. Wait, I
think I will play this one.
Okay.
And shuffle this one back. Skirmish. Draw 2.
Yeah, probably doesn't go there though. He could. Yeah, he could do that. Then replay an Alpine. Okay, misposition. I should be here. I should be at center for sure. Ah, sad. Yeah, we'll just go there.
I will go here, and you can have a maneuver.
Okay.
You can go.
Maneuver. Boosting. I will attack. Okay, what do I recur? I will recur something just between these two cards. Decisions. Okay. I'll draw. Whatever. I will attack. Just 4.
4, yeah.
Okay.
Then I'll...
Yeah, I guess side beyond sight is like surprisingly useful in this matchup, huh?
Let's put this one here.
Okay. He's
Yeah.
seems rough.
Here. Move this one here.
Okay, then I'll draw one. Your turn. Oh, you gave me Nunchaku? Okay, I think you know what you're going to do.
I will run as fast
as you can.
Okay, how about these ones? And I'm still scared. Let's just go with the maneuver.
Guys, I can't even use the schemes as passes. I'll get smacked with the big +2. Okay, not going there. I guess it's more important for him that I boost rather than up with this weekend. Okay. You just...
I think I needed to do this one.
Okay. Got 2 cards in hand. He's giving me a Nunchaku. What does that mean?
Bring back this one.
Okay, yeah. I mean, it's not the worst card in this matchup. It seems.
Draw 2. And go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay, you can go.
Okay, annoying, please. I will maneuver. Huh. Maneuver again. Discarding. Your turn.
Maneuver.
Okay, surprised I didn't use that. I thought I have. Okay. Okay, well, I'm over there.
1, 2, 3. And maneuver again. Okay.
I don't think there was a solution there. I'll maneuver. Nunchaku. Nunchaku.
Oh.
If yes, the feint, no. I will attack. It's okay.
I will defend with +2.
Okay.
For sure. Okay.
This is 6.
5 and this is 6. Okay, 1 damage.
Okay, and then one after combat.
Another one. Yeah.
And then I'll return a card. Drawing one. Mikey will attack.
Okay. Okay, it's 6
Yes, take 4 now.
damages.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And then you do your thing first.
Help. Someone please help.
Hopefully something good. I will recur.
Okay.
Okay. Mikey will attack. 2 damage.
Okay, 2 damage. I will look through
Yeah.
again.
Again, just in case you forgot.
Yeah.
And I still have 2 actions.
Yes, so.
Okay. I will draw 1. I'll attack, I guess. Okay, well.
No defenses.
Yeah, actually, that was a pretty lucky game for me. You were recurring stuff like side beyond side. What the hell was happening?
The next one. Yeah, I was searching for these all the game.
Yeah, you didn't even find your
for
5.
these. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, GG.
GG. If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.